History of Oton. Oton was established in 1570 under Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. Its name came from a misunderstanding when locals said Ugtong Adlaw, noon, which the Spaniard thought was the town name and shortened to Oton, because they found Nang difficult to pronounce. The town's boundaries were set by the local leader walking toward each other from different points. In 1603, Tapar led an early resistance movement blending native beliefs with Christianity. Significant people. Fray Martin de Roda was a Spanish missionary, mathematician, and cosmographer. He arrived in Oton in 1556 and preached Christianity along the Bachano River. He established Oton as a strategic Spanish stronghold on May 3, 1572. He formally accepted it as a pueblo and house of the order, making it the third Spanish settlement in the Philippines. Datu Paeburong was the leader of Oton before Spanish colonization. He governed the Malay settlement as part of the Madias Confederation from Catagman, now Barangay San Antonio. Under his leadership, Oton became a prosperous community. He represented the town's pre-colonial political and social organization. Don Miguel de Luarca was appointed by Miguel Lopez de Legazpi as the encomendero of Oton in 1569. He played a key role on organizing the town's early administration. His effort helped establish the governance system under Spanish rule. He is remembered as an important figure in Oton colonial history. Tapar was a local leader who resisted Spanish influence in Oton. He established his own church, blending native beliefs with Christianity. His goal was to preserve local spiritual tradition. Tapar is remembered as a symbol of early native resistance. Geography. Oton is a coastal town located in the western part of Iloilo, facing the Panay Gulf. It is situated about 10 kilometers west of Iloilo City and serves as a gateway to nearby towns and island. Oton covers an area of approximately 78.8 square kilometers and is composed of 31 barangays. The town has flat lowland along the coast, with rivers like the Bachano River flowing through it, making the area suitable for agriculture and fishing. Its strategic location near the sea and rivers historically made it an important trading and settlement area. Culture. Oton, Iloilo is a historic town with a culture shaped by its pre-colonial Malay, Chinese, and Spanish influences. The Catagman Festival celebrates the town heritage with street dances, fishing rituals, and the Oton Gold Death Mass, symbolizing its golden ancestral heritage. Historical sites like the Bachano River, Old Oton Church ruins, and the Catholic Cemetery reflect its rich past as a trading and religious center. Local seafood, Ilonggo specialties, traditional weaving, and the Hiligaynon language showcase the town's unique traditions. Otonanons are known for their hospitality and strong connection to the sea, preserving the town's history, tradition, and seaside heritage.